Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply link your Rainbow Six Siege from your Xbox to PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that, first of all, you gotta go to your browser, gotta go to your PC, and then access your browser and type in ubisoft.com as we have done on top. Then you will get to this official website of Ubisoft, and you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So here in this section, make sure that you are signed in as well. Once you are signed in, you're going to tap on this profile icon that you can see on upper right corner of the screen. Now you're going to tap on this and you will find this menu, right? You're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on this account management, just given right over here. Go ahead, tap on this account management option. Now you can find this kind of interface, right? So here in this section, you're going to find all kind of options for you, and on the top left corner of the side, you're going to find this option of security, privacy settings, communication, transaction history, betas and tests, new betas and tests. So you're going to tap on this option called account information, and you got to scroll down to the bottom, and you're gonna find your linked accounts just right over here. You can see we do have option of Discord, Facebook, Xbox as well right over here. And if you would like to link to any of the accounts, we're gonna go ahead, access them, and tap on this link option just given right over here. Once we have tap on it, it's gonna ask us at the another link your Xbox account. Once we tap on the continue, we will be asked to enter the information of that particular account. As you can see, you simply gotta follow the prompts given by Ubisoft itself for you to link your account. Once you're done with that, you can see now you have to access it. Once you're done with that, you will be able to link your particular account just like that over here. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.